people, we have the new pump installed on the 8.3 Cummins there. Got the new gaskets in and front main seal. New belt. Let's climb up here and take a look. There's the new pump there. Got a new lift pump down there. So we are going to give her a try. Mrs. is in the truck there. She's ready to go. Alright, let's hit that key, see if this thing fires. We have success. So now it'll be just finish putting the truck back together, and we got some wheels made up here for the old Diamond T plow truck way over there. Got plenty of good tires. Just went and picked up. Well, there's a little international dump truck. That guy's got a 292 Cummins in it with a 10-speed. So we got some new tires there that we went and picked up here last week. The rest of them in the trailer over there. So until next video,